artist JACHRISTAB. Today I'm going to do a quick video on feminine hygiene. Now that I have started eating healthier, exercising, and I started using more organic products, I want to introduce y'all to this product, and it's amazing. It's for your vagina. No, for real. But it's for your feminine area. It's a wash, and if you're sensitive like me, they got some for you too. Okay, so let's jump into this. It's called Honey Pot. Y'all, the Honey Pot company, this feminine wash is so bomb. You know how like if you use like Vagisil or Summer's Eve, it feels like, I don't know, it irritates me. I don't know if it's because they have like extra like scents or like ingredients or whatever, like the extra like scents that's not natural and it's not supposed to be in your hoo-ha. Like I cannot use Vagisil, I cannot use Summer's Eve. One of my coworkers actually told me about the Honey Pot, and she's very earthy. So since I'm getting into this like organic-y and healthy like veggies and like all this stuff, I want to give it a try. I'm like, why not? So the Honey Pot company, and I'm gonna read it for you. It says plant-based feminine care. Now I have the number 1, and it's the sensitive wash. There's some in there. I've been using it. See the top gone. I don't know where top is. But I have the sensitive wash. So it says plant-based feminine care sensitive wash. It balances, nourishes, and soothes. And guess what, y'all? It's 99.9. Oh, 99. It's 99% natural, and the pH is 3.5 through 4.5, and it says pH balance for you, and it's paraben free, sulfate free, and the gynecologist loves it. And then guess what? So the lady that made this company, guess what? She's black, and y'all should go support a sister. And guess what? You can get this from Walmart or Target. It's this is about $8, and then they have like the wipes. They have mommy to be feminine wash and wipes and stuff for the pregnant women. They have the kind that's not for people that's sensitive like me. They have lubrication. They have cotton, 100% cotton tampons, panty liners, and pads. And it's cruelty free and vegan. And it says, so my bottle says, meet a more sensitive solution. It has the lavender, vinegar, and calendula. I don't know, but it sounds organic. And it says, this is a statement from the owner and the creator, black woman. I suffered with bacterial vaginosis for 8 months. An ancestor gave me the ingredients to heal myself in a dream. I created the formula for an effective, clean, feminine wash. It worked, and I launched the Honey Pot company in 2014, and the rest is history. And she has her beautiful signature down there. And it also says it says made by humans with vaginas for humans with vaginas, because it takes one to know one. Now this right here, yes girl, because I'm so tired of these other like brands that like Vagisil and Summer Eve, and not knocking them, but I can't use it because if you're like me, you have a sensitive hoo-ha, and if you're a woman, you know what happens if your hoo-ha gets irritated. Like, we're not even finna go in that whole spiel. We're women. If you don't like the way that I'm talking, or you don't want to hear about vaginas, then next video. But I feel like I should put this on my channel because my channel is about beauty, lifestyle, and girl chat, and this is a part of beauty and lifestyle. You have to take care of your V. if you don't take care of your V, then yeah. Anywho, so y'all, you use this whenever you shower. I shower once a day. I'm not weird like some people. And so she wants you to shake it up well. And it has the instructions right here. She wants you to shake it up well, pump 3 times, and she wants you to wash your vagina like normal. And it says nothing is cleaner than clean hands. So we recommend saving the washcloth for something else. So in other words, she wants you to use your hands, clean hands, to wash your hoo-ha. Don't use a washcloth. I heard that, you know, that whole washcloths hold a lot of bacteria, and that's excess bacteria that you do not need in your vag, and that can cause irritation and itching and bacterial vaginosis and yeast infections and stuff that you don't want. So and of course it's for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. And so I'm going to read some of the ingredients other than the lavender vinegar in the calendula. It has water, apple vinegar, oats extract, sunflower seed oil, lavender essential oil. I don't have on my glasses, y'all. Lavender flower water. I don't have my glasses. Grapefruit seed extract, asparagus root extract, rosa flower water, garlic extract, and a whole bunch of other stuff. It has silver in it. I don't know about the silver part, all that stuff, but everything is organic. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and like rave about this product. This right here is like amazing. This is perfect. Like if you're sensitive, if you have to, you know, if you're sensitive, I say use the sensitive wash. My coworker, she told me that she uses the original wash, and I think it's like orange and it's like citrusy and kind of fruity and smells pretty good. So we're gonna also turn this into a V health video. So ladies, rule number 1, you can buy this all day, and it may work, but if you don't follow the necessary steps to keeping your V happy and a clean V, you're gonna have problems. So number 1, I always say, make sure you go to your yearly checkups with your gynecologist. Go to your gynecologist because they're the hoo-ha doctors and they know about the vagina and all that stuff. So go, 1, go to your doctor. 2, make sure you wiping from front to back. Front to back. Not back to front, but front to back. Because if you're wiping from back to front, all the bacteria and stuff that you have like back there by your butt is going up by your vag. And that can cause problems. So number 1 is going to the gyno. 2, wiping front to back, not back to front. Number 3, you have to find a wash that works best for your body, for your pH. You don't want anything that's going to throw off your pH. See, I learned the hard way, okay, using Vagisil and Summer's Eve. So I just decided to go the organic route, and I use the honey pot. And ever since I've used this, I haven't had a problem. So that's number 3. So gynecologist, front to back, find you a wash that works best for you, that will not throw off your pH. Number 4, do not dish. Okay, I don't know what in the 1970s is going on with girls dishing and stuff. Like, your vagina is an organism or organ that cleans itself. So you don't need to be up in there mixing like chemicals and stuff, trying to dish it out. Like, no, that causes dryness, itching, irritation, and you do not need that in your honey pot. So yeah, no dishing. So that's number 4. Number 5, make sure that you have cotton underwear. I know that thongs and boy shorts and stuff like that are cute. Yes, they are popping, like the lace, all that. That's cute, right? But not all the time. Make sure you have some cotton underwear. If you have to get a cotton thong, even though thongs is really not good for you, but whatever. If this your thing, who am I to judge? But even if it's cotton thongs, cotton boy shorts, cotton, just cotton. Make sure you wear cotton underwear. It's okay. You can wear cotton underwear, and I promise you feel just as fine. You feel free. It helps the coochie breathe. Okay? Cotton underwear. Number 6. Make sure you're using cotton, 100%, 99% cotton tampons, panty liners, or pads. All that other stuff is not good for your V. And oh yeah, y'all, and don't use scented tissue or like the scented pads or the scented tampons and stuff, because like the scents can irritate your cooch too if you have a sensitive vajayjay like myself. So make sure you're using cotton, make sure you're using unscented and things like that. And the last but not least, it's okay to sit down in the tub. Sit in the tub. It's okay. Taking baths, like not showers, baths. It's okay to run you some warm water, put you a little Epsom salt in there, and sit your butt in a tub. Your coochie, sometimes like that water need to just hit up in there and like refresh and tighten up, and it's okay to sit in a tub. I know everybody's in a rush nowadays. Everybody wants to take a quick shower and do their thing, but it's okay to sit in the tub. Okay, so we got go to your gynecologist, find you a wash that's gonna go with your pH that will not irritate you, cotton panties, eating right. I didn't say that though, but make sure you're eating right, because you can, God, you can eat bad stuff and that'll throw your cooch off as well. Cotton feminine products like pads and stuff like that, cotton underwear, sit down in the tub, and what am I missing? Oh, no scented like tissue and things like that. So I just wanted to, come on my platform and, help y'all, some of y'all young cats. Oh, and no dishing. God, what in the 1970s? No dishing. Like, that is not good for you. Like, our vaginas are supposed to be moist and lubricated and stuff. Dishing dries them out, irritates them, and it'll make you itch, and it'll throw your pH off, and when your pH is thrown off, you know what happens. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I hope that you really go out and look up the Honey Pot Company. If you don't want to buy it, like, that's fine. Like, I can't beat you up and make you buy it, but I can spread the word about products that I actually use and that I appreciate, because I mean, I do have a sensitive vag, so I know how it feels. Like, I'm a woman just like you. So like, you can just go, and they have it at Walmart and at Target, Black owned, and she's been running shit ever since 2014, and this is a Black girl, and everything's organic. If that doesn't, you know, if that makes you want to run out and get it as well, it's organic and it's cruelty free, because you know I love my animals, and it's vegan. Go out, get your Honey Pot Company, follow the steps that I said. Oh yeah, and wipe it from front to back. Front to back. But yeah, I would say go ahead and use the tips that I gave you, and you have a happy V. And it's just so amazing to be a woman, and we can all like empower each other and give each other tips and things like that. Like, no one's gonna get offended. Like, just help a sister out. All right, y'all, so that's all I have for today. Thank you for tuning into my channel.